Thank you so much to all the subscribers for making this reality with 2000 plus subscribers. Hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel Balakrishna Kwesa. This is going to be the most interesting video which is related to one of the most important aspects right now in 2021, which is related to health priority. Today, in this video, we are going to review a mask which is created by the Philips with its greatest innovation, which is called as Philips Fresh Air Mask. These three are the best students who have helped me in creating this video with outdoor review.
Please like, share and subscribe.
So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Amazon box which we have received yesterday. Let's unbox it. This is the Philips Fresh Air Mask with box pack, which is in blue color with beautiful and superb packing. The packing itself seems to be premium and resemble a personal asset. It is very clearly mentioned that it's not a personal protective equipment on the box. You can see the box presented to us with the air fan logo on the top side, and as it is an outdoor unboxing, there is a lot of dust. Let's unbox the Philips Fresh Air Mask, cutting the box packing seal from the company. Let's open the box. The moment of curiosity to look at the original product of safety. The box is tightly packed that it doesn't even allow the air moisture inside it, as it is related to health and safety. This is the filter with almost safety equal to N95 mask with 4 layers of superior protection. This is the USB cable provided with the box to charge the inbuilt hybrid fan for the mask. This is the user manual related to the mask with almost 50 pages of information. This is the inbuilt hybrid fan with 3 levels of airflow and exhaust flow innovation. Let's unwrap it. This comes with a button to turn on and a light to indicate the speed mode. The shape, the quality, the touch, the material looks amazingly premium. This also comes with the mold for preserving the mask when not used. The shape of the fan accessory is designed so ergonomically that it serves the purpose without hindering our vision while wearing the mask. The sides of the mask are made out of the composite material with carbon, which seems to be premium and very strong. Both sides, the design seems flawless and fits the face perfectly. Let me cut this and open the tag to wear the mask. We can unwrap the mask with its ear support tags, which are premium, plastic and cloth-like material. Let's see the mask from the internal side. The mask, as said, comes with a hybrid fan with low noise support. Now, let's unbox the filter from its protective cover and see its quality with 4-layer protection system, which comes with nose protection and customization strip. We have here the 2 circles with knob like structures to which we can fix the provided filter that comes with the box pack. This requires little good attention to fix the filter proper way so that the filter gets connected to the fan support. Finally, now it's time to wear the mask and look into the fit and experience the first time using the mask. I feel that the mask fit is absolutely perfect. We just need to tighten and loosen the ear support tags that are provided so that to have the best fit of the mask. It should not be too tight or not too loose for wearing the mask. The mask perfectly sits on the chin with the golden anchor innovation by Philips company. The fan module is set so that it would never disturb your vision. As said, With the 3 modes of fan speeds, the mask is amazingly low noise and feels very light to wear it. The mask fit and finish seems to be quite comfortable when we wear it for longer periods continuously. The fan seems to be amazing in providing fresh oxygen, exhaling carbon dioxide. The mask will allow the user to have a free flow of air inside the mask, providing the ease of breathing for long periods. You can see here the size of the fan compared to the size of AirPods Pro with its powerful motor with low noise technology. The fan charging module comes with the complete certifications for low noise and battery optimization modes for long period of time. The fan, when switched on, will glow the on-off button in the dark. There are 3 modes of fan with speed 1, speed 2 and speed 3 respectively. The mask is designed with a different kind of material. It's just not a cloth. It's a composite material of carbon which is created with 3D pattern and printing, which gives a superb lightweight and durability for the mask. Observing the pattern, you can clearly see that the mask is created to allow more breathable setup. The 3 golden anchor points to fit the nose, chin and ears with Philips innovation is stunningly amazing, which suits almost all faces for adults. As said previously, the ear tags are created with the strong elastic-like fibers that can be customized to all sizes of faces with its unique branding of Philips name. The mask is created in such a way that it holds the fan module and battery module strongly inside the mask with a ceramic and ferrite silver magnet, which gives a perfectly strong attachment with lightweight mask and material. On an aggregate, the mask, the material, the innovation, the brand, the fit, the technology used are the best, with superb lightweight to carry on the face without giving more stress to ears. Ultimately, the protection is amazing. Oh, this is my pet named Tiku, which exactly fits into the mask box case, and now this has become its temporary sleep suit for my cat. Hope you like this video and the way it is explained. Please give a like if you like it. Please share the video as it is related to health and protection. Oh baby, sleep well. Sorry to disturb you. Sleep well. Bye.